Outstanding morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum. And today we will be talking about how to manage your weight and also how to control your fats accumulation. Especially, we have limited activity today, and we don't know when this pandemic will end. So be sure we need to control and manage our health. And here's our first tips for this month. By just using this word, you know what is this? Suffer. Okay? Not suffer, so that you will not suffer your weight, your fat accumulations for the complications. That is why we need to learn supper. How many of us here know about supper? Okay, we have here prepared 3 definitions from the Merriam-Webster dictionary. Number 1 is what? Is an evening meal after dinner. But sometimes people call it what? During evening, when you eat, you call it what? Dinner, right? Okay, let's have dinner in the evening. But according to the dictionary, okay, it's up to you to accept that definition that dinner is just what? Is in the midday. Okay? It's either breakfast or lunch. Now, supper is about an evening meal. And the second meaning or definition is a light meal. Okay? In the evening. It's a light meal. Now, you know about supper. Supper. What did they eat? Right? It's a light meal. Now, here's number 3 definition which I like. Sup coming from the word soup. Okay, when you say sup, it's just what? About soup. The question here is, what is your supper today? Is it helping you to manage your weight? Helping you to control the fats accumulations? If you have dinner or big meal in the morning, we are sure that before you sleep, your stomach is full. And we can expect something like developing other problem like heart disease, okay, obesity or overweight, and diabetes or other related problem. To manage and to prevent that, we need to know the definitions. But most importantly is to know how to apply this supper. Okay, let me give you how I use this opportunity, this supper. Light meal or soup, right? That will help manage. Now, I am using this one. Okay, this. Okay, can you see this? Meal replacement. And I use this in the evening for my light meal, because sometimes you can't control, you cannot prepare well. That will help manage and control your health. That's why I'm using this. This meal replacement, very low calories but high nutrient. Bismillah. So thank you so much, and alhamdulillah, if you need more information, then please like or comments, okay, or send message. This is Dr. Lajot. Alhamdulillah.